So this is the parts box stand. That's Jason from the parts box. Now, they used to have the Adelaide Hills Slot Raceway at Lobethal. So this is a scale model and a slot car video, because the parts box do slot cars as well as scale models. So they do scale models that they've got.
Remember Coles had that ad years ago, you get the lowest price.
All right.
On the item? Yes. Probably the number $7.
That's a box of rejects. So that's Jason.
How?
And like I said, they had the Adelaide Hills Slot Raceway at Lobethal, so we used to go there. But he's into scale model kits as well, and he has his own scale model kit company called the Parts Box. And you can still buy Parts Box cars online from their website, and I highly recommend the cars.
Yeah, one guy last year in the show.